let's just sort of get an empirical view. What should you do and not do to get this right? In fact, shall I start with you on that one, Graham?
Okay, yeah, so I was actually thinking before this about things we'd done right and wrong. And I used to, when I lived in Germany, I had a huge poster in my office which said detail is not the same as accuracy. So when you start on one of these projects, you can get absolutely sucked into the detail. So we're going to build the perfect system. It's not going to be 5 terabytes, it's going to be 15 because we've got so much complicated data algorithms. It has to be the perfect system. If you take that path, you might never finish. So yeah, detail is great, but just putting in more detail doesn't necessarily make it more accurate. And one other thing I would maybe mention is that right from the beginning and still today, we've always had board sponsorship of whatever we're working on. So cost models, any project, any yield project, it's always had someone on the board who supports it, who sponsors it. Then you can, you know you've got the support from the top of the company to actually get the money to do it. One thing we've learned, and again, it's something I think we continue working with the Information Factory, is the sort of agile approach. So again, it's not a 2-year project before you see any results. It's okay, Rob can add the technical terms, but it's I think it's the sprint is the word. So you do small leaps forward and you get some results. So you do something, you prove a result, you move on to the next step. And it's all very agile. And whoever's building this system for you needs to understand your business. So you don't want external consultants coming in with a high level approach and will sell you this amazing system. You actually need people helping you with the development who understand your business.
I think the key one was the last one Graham came with, and that is the top-down approach. You know, if the top is not bought into that this is the new way of doing business, you will go nowhere. So they need to be on board. They need to be some of the core users, so to speak, or be associated with some core usage, and you need to really understand, you know, their expectation. What is it that they want to get out of the mystery of the pile of all that data?
Is there anything you would have done differently, Ulrich, looking back now, knowing what you know now?
I would say that we would probably have done it earlier. We have the, I guess, the advantage of having newer systems, so we didn't have the legacy issue of cleaning up data than like Graham had. So I think we should just have done it earlier. That's my key learning.
Everything that guys have said makes a lot of sense. The gentleman said, the modern program management and delivery methodologies of Agile help you to be able to get these incremental steps so that you can get returns that people are able to see quickly and to be able to appreciate, and then to be able to keep that momentum. Main number one factor is that you need a good, strong business case. For us, we see success where we have people who are passionate about what they want and have got a really good understanding of their business industry. They know what they want and that they know the business, and then translating that. Data will uncover some very uncomfortable truths as you begin to be able to look at it, and every new set of eyes will uncover something, and that needs you then to be able to take that back in, to be able to, whatever it is comes up, there's going to be an impact and somebody's going to have to do something, which is where that board level sponsorship comes in, and it's to be successful overall, that's key.